All right, so we've got the layout that you've chosen. They're all labeled. We're going to remove the grass, and we're going to lay out the plants, and then put them in the ground. Sound good?
That sounds great. I'm looking forward to it.
And have you ever worked with native plants or done any large planting like this?
I've actually never planted anything in my life, so this was a first for me, but I would, wasn't all that complicated.
Right.
And actually quite fun. It took the exact amount of time you said it would take. It took, I don't know, what were we out here? 75 minutes? I gotta be honest, I'm actually enjoying this. Where it takes, 30 minutes to prep a bed, another 30 minutes to plant, but just watch them grow.